How to add another account on Veeka. So hey guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to add another account on Veeka. To add another account here on Veeka, all we need to do is open up our Veeka account right here. Once we open up our Veeka account right here, you will see on the bottom right corner, you will see there is me. So there, all we need to do is press on the me right there. After pressing on me right there, next thing we need to do, as you see right there, I don't know why my name here is Dizzy. What? Anyways, we're gonna change that maybe later sooner. So all we need to do is open up our account right here and then click on the settings on the top right corner. You will see a settings icon on the top right corner. After pressing on the settings on the top right corner, you will see add account. Press on add account right there. After binding a secure email address, you can switch to another account with one click. Do you want to bind it? And click on confirm. So now we just need to verify our email earlier that we signed in with. After verifying this, we can now add another account. So once we add another account, then there you go. We can have ourselves another account here and easily switch from one account to another here on what to call this, Veeka. So there, that's how you do it. But first of all, we need to verify our Gmail if you haven't verified your Gmail yet here on the Veeka app, and then there, that's how you, so yeah, that's how you add another account here on Veeka. There you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always type it down in the comment below guys. Happy to answer you as soon as possible on here on how to rock it guys. There you go, and thank you guys.